Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In today's video, I will answer the question that is, what is lethal equipment in COD Mobile? So the lethal equipment in the Call of Duty mobile game is, well, some throwable or plannable equipment that can, well, kill your enemies, such as C4, grenades, frag grenades, what else, Molotovs, throwable axes, and so on. You can see the list of available lethal equipment for your respective class or whatever is your preferred soldier you play by going into the loadout. Here is the lethal section for multiplayer and battle royale at the very least. So tap on it, then select what lethal equipment you would like to acquire, or equip and acquire. So let's go with Molotov cocktail, equip it, and here you have it. I guess that will be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.